Still opening the calendar app just to check today's date? There's a much easier way. In less than a minute, you can add the date right to your Android home screen so it's always visible. Here's how to do it. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen until the customization menu appears. Next, tap Widgets. Now scroll through the list and find Calendar, then tap on it. You'll see a few different calendar widget styles. Pick the one you like the most, then tap Add. Finally, drag the widget wherever you want on your home screen and adjust its position until it looks just right. That's it! Now today's date is always right on your home screen, so you never have to open the calendar app just to check it. Simple, right? Follow for more quick Android tips that'll make your phone even smarter.